Good morning, students. Today we are starting chapter 7 of your history, that is towns, artisan and merchants. In this chapter we will discuss about the different type of towns that came about during the medieval period and how did new classes of traders and artisans form in the medieval towns. What were the major features of different towns and why did Hampi, Surat and Masurepatnam became famous during the medieval period? In this video, we will discuss about small towns, administrative centers, pilgrimage centers and administrative pilgrimage centers and port towns. Let's start with the town. What is town? A town is a place where people, instead of farming, are engaged in different type of activities to earn their livelihood. So in this chapter, we shall read about different type of towns during the medieval period. Medieval towns. A number of towns developed during the medieval period. Towns vary in sizes. Persian texts of the medieval period speak of shahr or kasbah. Kasbah means a large village with a busy market center where people from different places came and traded their goods. In South India, terms Pattinam, Puram and Nagaram refer to different type of towns. Small towns. Small towns mostly develop from large villages. It is open public space where people from neighboring villages sell their produce. It has market center for the people of other villages or towns. Craftsmen, oil pressure, ironsmith, etc. also had their corners. Zamindars would levy tax on the transaction of traders and artisans. Sometimes ruler gave the local temple authority the right to collect taxes and look after such markets. Administrative centers. Larger towns become the administrative center. Every famous ruler built a new capital for his kingdom. For that, they involve large-scale building activities and movement of people like royal officials, soldiers and service providers and common people. We have seen that Kannauj became an important administrative center, and when Rajput rose as a powerful group, they developed Delhi, Ajmer, Mahoba and Dar into administrative towns. And under the Sultanate and the Mughals, Delhi became the most powerful capital in the Indian subcontinent. Pilgrimage centers. Towns which became famous for the temple of a popular deity where devotees came to worship regularly are known as pilgrimage centers. These pilgrims need house for rest and offering like flowers, incense sticks, sweetmeat, etc. And as a result, number of traders set up their shop near these mosque or temple. Souvenir shops, singing, painting, architecture also developed near these pilgrims to fulfill their needs. And that was how a pilgrimage center slowly changed into a large town. The famous pilgrimage towns of the medieval period included Varanasi, Amritsar, Mecca Medina, Haridwar, etc. Now let's talk about administrative cum pilgrimage centers. What are administrative cum pilgrimage centers? Sometime a single town could be both an administrative center and a pilgrimage site. Now this was seen in South India where temples often played important political role. For example, Chola. What Chola king used to do? Chola king held court sitting on mandaps or pavilion in their palaces which were very close to the temple. There were some of the towns that were earlier known as administrative center, but afterwards they became pilgrimage sites. They became famous for pilgrimage sites. A very good example of it was Ajmer. Ajmer was the capital of Chamana Rajput, but later it became famous as the hometown of the famous Sufi son Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti, and millions of devotees from all over the world attend the annual festival at the Dargah of the great Sant. Port towns. Ports also plays an important role in the rise and fall of kingdoms and civilization. In medieval India, large settlements which grew around ports gradually became big towns and cities. And Cambay in western India was one of the richest ports and trading center during the 14th century. Artisans in Cambay were famous for cutting agates into mortars and pestles, handle of knives, and beautiful beads. Other important port towns in medieval India were Sonagar near Bangladesh, Koilan or Kolam, Kozhikode, and Mangalore in Malabar. So students, now it's time for some brainstorming exercise. What is Kasbah? What is pilgrimage center? And name one administrative cum pilgrimage center. So students, give me the answer of these questions in the comment section below. So students, rest of the chapter we will discuss in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.